Good day to everyone. Today I would like to share how to copy text from YouTube video. Let me show you how to do that. Yes, from my laptop or desktop, I just opened YouTube and I have seen some tutorials over here. So I just want to copy the text from the YouTube video or any other ways. I just want to copy and test for my codings or any types of things. So I'm not able to copy this text from the video or from the web. What I have to do here, simple and easiest way, just go to Google Chrome and just type Power Toys. So once you type a Power Toys, there will be a Microsoft official Power Toys will be there. So it is used to create a different types of extracting text, extracting everything. It is freeware system. So Microsoft PowerPoint is set for the freeware system, utilized for the design for the power users. So just click here to install Power Toys. So once you click install Power Toys, it will move into a Microsoft official website and there will be a requirements and install will be there. So you just install Microsoft Power Toys over here. So you just click here to install the Power Toys things and you can install your Power Toys. Just click here for install Power Toys and it will direct you into the version. So whether you are using Windows or Mac OS 64-bit, you can choose according to your needs. I just need a Windows 11 64-bit. I have chosen this Power Toys, or if you are using Mac system, you can use this option. So just click here to download your Power Toys, which is free for Microsoft. So it will asking to download my application. So I just save this file, so automatically it will download in your downloads folder as you see here. Yes, so I have downloaded my Power Toys application, which is 250 MB, which is free and officially. So just double click on that to install your Power Toys from your system. Yes, so I have already installed in my Power Toys. So once you installed everything, so just go to start menu and just type a Power Toys. Once you type Power Toys, the Power Toys application will be open here. Once you install successfully, it will open like a Power Toys. So this is the Power Toys application. So you can set all the things so that you can copy the text from the YouTube or from all the things. So this is the Power Toys settings over here. There are plenty of awake and every options will be there. Just scroll down, you will have a text extract as you see here. So text extract will be there. Once you select this text extract, so you can extract the text from anywhere the screen. So just enable this option so that it will enable the text extract. There will be activation shortcut will be there. Windows Shift and T will be there. If you want, you can change, otherwise you can keep the same thing. Now I just move again to the video. So I just want to copy this text. What I have to do here, just press Windows Shift and T and it will move into a text box as you see here. So this is my extractions things. So I just want to copy the text over here. So Windows Shift and T to extract my text over here. So whatever text you want, you can copy the text and paste over here. So simple and easiest way, the Power Toys is enabled. So now I just select the text over here to copy the text. I just open Notepad and I just want to copy the text over here. So I just click here to open my new Notepad or Word or Excel, anything else you want, just want to copy. So just paste, automatically every values are the copy and paste from the YouTube. So I just want to copy this text from the YouTube, means same Shift Windows and T will be enable the text and you just copy the particular content where you want and you just go to the same Notepad and paste over here. Automatically with everything will be copy and paste over here. For example, video times, if you want to copy the text, or inside the video you want to copy any other types of text over here. So you want to copy all the text, whatever text you want from the videos, you want codings or any types of things, just use Windows Shift and T to extract your text over here. So to copy the text and paste in your YouTube, from your YouTube to your text. Simple and easiest way to learn a lot of things from the YouTube. You can choose the codings and you can access without any other hesitation. So for the school and college students and officials can use this option to extract your text from the video and use for your final reference. If you like these tips, please share with your friends and subscribe my HowXT channel. Thanks for watching, dear friends. Have a great and good day.